Hello. The purpose of this video is to show how to assign different line thickness in AutoCAD by color. So as you can see, when you draw a line in AutoCAD, it's white. It is because we are drawing over a dark background. You can always change this user interface or drawing background, but we're not going to discuss that in this video. Anyway, whenever you have a white line, it will print black. Okay, and if you have a red line, it will also print black. Usually, you can change that setup, but all colors in AutoCAD will just print black unless you set it up to print in that specific color. So to have different line thicknesses in AutoCAD, we usually do a color assignment on it. There is a line type over here or line weight, um, but we usually do not use this in AutoCAD unless we are in a different mode, which is a paper space mode. Anyway, let's do it the usual way that architects use it in the real office or from what it's been doing in the past. To set up the line type, we can do it. We can to set up the line thickness using colors. We do it under the plot command. So plot. So go here and type plot, enter, and then we're not going to plot anything for now. We're going to pull this down, and usually if there's no plot style, it'll be hard to print. So you want to pull this down and select a plot style here. These are the default plot styles. And let's look at ACAD.ctb. And then we just say yes. And ACAD.ctb will show us something's not wrong. Plot. Oh, ACAD.ctb. ACAD.ctb, and then you click on this one. Edit. ACAD.ctb by default um, will have these color assignments. And you can usually show them using a table view. And you can see here that the line weight is assigned to use object line weight, which is assigning a line weight here. Okay, so we usually don't do it this way. What we usually do is we assign it according to, or we assign line thickness or line weight according to color. Okay, and these line weights are the usual line weights, but I've seen them vary from office to office. So color one, which is red, will usually be printed using the smallest thickness that can be printed. Some printers can print up to 0.13, 0.15 millimeters, or 0.18. So let's copy this or set this up this way. So red or color one is 0.18, right? So we want the line weight, okay, to be 0.18, and you can do it here, that one, okay. Uh, and then the color is just use the object color or use the actual color, okay, which is whatever the object color is. We just leave that there. Um, and then color 2, which is yellow, is 0.25. So we can pull this down and then select 0.25. And then go to the next color. Green is 0.35. Green is 0.35. And then cyan should be a little bit thicker in this drawing. It's color 3 and 4 are the same. So let's just change it to 0.4. And then color 5, which is blue, is 0.5. and color 6 magenta is 1. That's thick. And then color 7 is 1.40, and color 8 is 0.35. And 9 is 2.0. And color 10 is back to 0.18, which we're not going to do that. We're just going to go do color 9. Now, white is actually, sort of form view. White is all the way here at 2.255, and the line weight of that one is whatever the line weight is. Okay, and if we don't assign a color, we won't really. I mean, if we don't assign line weight, we don't really know. So usually that is also a 0.18, or maybe assign it to 0.13. Okay. Another thing that we usually do is that color 8 and 9. I got cut off a little bit over there, but anyway, 8 and 9 usually gray in color, and so we leave that as use the object color. But for the other ones, remember that I told you that red should not be printing red, it should be printing black. So here under color, we want it to be printed black. We want that to be printed black. So all of these are supposed to be printing black. Six is black. And then we leave, well, 7 is, you can't see color 7. 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 are black colors, grayscale colors. And if you want red, then you don't use color 1, you use color 10. Okay. And then all the way down here, we also, although white will not print white, but in some printers, it might get printed white. So we're going to also assign that as black. And then we're just going to click save and close. And then that is acad.ctv. You can create your own, okay? And usually offices will have the name of their firm, and then says CTB. We're just going to apply layout and then close it. And then now we're going to change now the assignment of this. Remember that we assign this to layer C prop for property lines. And so let's go again to our layer properties. And then here we now assign the color of this uh, line. Okay, let me pull this down to not white now, but usually we use a magenta color. Okay, and then 7 is black, but it's because we're using a black surface. 7 is white now, and then white is 255 over here. Okay, so um, let's just click OK, and you can see immediately the line type of this proper line changed to magenta. And what will magenta be printed on? I mean, what is the line with a magenta? Line with magenta is 1.0. Okay, so that's how to assign line weights or thickness to AutoCAD using colors. And we are going to see the effect of this on a print on our next video.